guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Today's video we're gonna go to Nandi Hills. You know, it's more like a photo shoot and a ride. One of my good friends, Aaryan, he's a really great cinematographer. He's really good with his camera and stuff, so he wanted to take a couple of shots of my bike. So he and his friends have come along, and then we have Mithun who's waiting ahead at the meetup point. It's gonna be a fun, eventful ride. Hi Macha. Oi. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ
10 minutes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
Hi bro, Mithun.
This is Aaryan, this is Mithun. Hi bro, what's up?
My name is Salman. You might know me.
Yeah?
You might know me. You had the 650, right?
I have a 650.
You still have it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name?
Rajat.
So Mithun got a new exhaust for the bike. It's a slip-on.
ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ, ಆದ್ರು ಯಾರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. We're on our way to Nandi now. Oh wow. This is a crazy view. Holy shit. Wow.
That spot is like not much people goes also.
Okay. You got it recently or you're used to it?
A week ago.
A week ago?
4 days ago. That's why I was like, I got it and I texted you. So let's do this.
Nice. I think it's better if you sit behind him instead and you ride aram se. Oh. ನೋಡೋಣ ಇರು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. ಓ ಶಿಟ್. Woo, it's cold. Oh, look at that view, what the hell. Oh my god, that view is crazy.
I left him in that small place.
And he wasn't there.
Where is he? I guess he took the bike and then. Where? I don't know. Please do. I'd have no gloves. I ain't got no gas. No gloves.
Keep it over there, it's more hot nearby. We reached the top. We had some tea. Now we're going down. Sure. Oh yeah, that does look like a gun.
We took it a Neela.
Bike is really hot now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I feel it from here.
ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಟ್ಟು ಮಚ್ಚ.
ಓ ಮಚ್ಚ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೇನೆ ಗುರು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು ಗಾಡಿ.
Now we're just gonna go have some food and then we'll leave. Alright guys, every photo shoot is done now. Going home. I'll just film a bit of the ride back. Ducati in bad traffic again. हाँ ಇದೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. That's why I come early, leave early in rides. Alright guys, I'll end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.